The amazingly small and lightweight Clarke JSM400 multifunction jumpstart and portable device charger is the perfect product to keep handy for day-to-day charging of your electronic devices and to get you out of emergency situations. It incorporates a powerful torch and has the power to jumpstart a vehicle up to 15 times from a single charge. Small enough to keep in your glove compartment, this lightweight and highly portable lithium polymer power pack can provide 400 amps boost with 800 amps peak current, sufficient power to jumpstart a 6-litre petrol or 4-litre diesel car with ease. The bright 2-LED inbuilt torch features an optional emergency flashing feature, either a steady flash or Morse code SOS. A number of power outputs are available for charging ancillary devices. 2 USB 5-volt power outputs are provided with a combined power of 3.1 amps. These can be used for charging mobile phones, tablets and the like. A 19-volt 2-amp output is also provided for charging laptops and other devices. A 4-way device adapter cable features iPhone Lightning, USB-C and micro USB outputs to suit most mobile phone connectors. And the cable for the 19-volt output comes with 8 adapter plugs to suit the device to be powered. Weighing less than 1.4 kilos, including cables, it is the ideal device to keep handy at all times. It is supplied in a convenient zipped storage bag, which contains all of the adapters, charging cables and accessories. The JSM400 can be charged from either mains using the supplied 230-volt adapter or from a vehicle 12-volt power socket using the supplied charging lead. A 5-LED charge status indicator lets you know when to disconnect the charge source. Being lithium polymer powered, it will only require charging every 3 months if unused. When jump-starting a vehicle, the smart cable will give a clear indication of correct connection, and the clear 5-bar LED display indicates the charge status of the internal 7 amp-hour lithium polymer battery. The Clarke JSM400 Micro Multifunction Jumpstart and Portable Power Pack will give you many years of useful service.